Transfer the mutton into a bowl. ये नहीं होगा मुझसे. नहीं करूँगा.
यार इन्होंने नॉनस्टिक पैन नहीं भेजा. Hi guys, this is Ankur from the jam session. Well, not really. So we're back today after a long hiatus, and we've done this for a very special reason, for an interestingly, superbly unique concept, a DIY kit launched by the Knock Knock team. And yeah, first and foremost, thank you Tenali for lending us this fabulous venue. So this is the first jam session we're doing in this time of the pandemic. So let's go through this, man. This is really interesting. We can't wait because in any case, food yet to be cooked. So this is our delivery boy. Hand sanitizers for the unclean. So guys, this is the Knock Knock kit. It's a DIY. This is the pulled ran taco. And oh my god, just look at that box of goodies. Now this is what you call a real unveiling. So there's all the ingredients down to the sliced onions, and oh, there's a silver foil as well with lime juice. We've got a roasted chili garlic, there's some chicken stock, fresh mint salsa, pulled mutton, some lettuce, and the taco shells. And of course, for the uninitiated, a full-blown recipe sheet. Amazing. The only thing left is them to send over somebody to eat this food also. But nevertheless, this is the other one. We're going through a lot of food today. And this is what we have is the chicken shawarma. My god. Again, superbly detailed. We've got some fries, kubas, iceberg lettuce, tomato, marinated chicken. Oh, they've sent oil as well. Wow. They've really gone Arab on us. They're sending oil from their fields also. This is the Lebanese pickle, also known as the turshi. This is the garlic sauce, known as the toon. And Jasjeet, as usual, is trying to confuse me with whatever. This is the Singapore chili crab recipe. Guys, this is the DIY recipe for the shawarma. Or take it easy, yaar, bande. And two cutlets, सारा इतना खाना देख के बंदे को भूख ही लगनी शुरू हो गई.
Be careful, don't mix up the.
Yeah, don't worry. Oh shit, we have to be very careful because Jasjeet is going to be cooking today.
Yeah, that's the big surprise. Actually, it was a surprise. You're clean, right?
Yeah, well.
That was the big surprise for Jasjeet. He's going to end up cooking this because I think one of the best things about this kit is that it allows anyone with very little or no knowledge of cooking to actually follow it along.
Or as we'll find out today,
Yeah, but
completely muck up lunch for
the
us.
unfortunate part is we'll have to try it. We'll have to eat it after he cooks it.
Ah, well, that's the sad part. But
So we gotta make
don't worry,
sure
we've
that
got
we-
another takeaway box ready from Knock Knock just in
You
case.
guys will be helping me out. So.
Yeah, for sure.
of course.
Oh, they've got salt and pepper here as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. This is too detailed. This is fantastic stuff.
So let's not waste any
Yeah,
more
let's not
time.
waste any time. Just get into the kitchen,
and get this done.
Jasjeet, your time to get on the stove, buddy. Let's go.
Okay, here we have our chef of the day. All set.
All set, all set.
Scary as hell.
Not nervous at all.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to go through the recipe once. Looks simple. I've stacked everything as per the instructions.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
So what are we cooking here today, Jasjeet?
So, what are we cooking?
the full ran tacos, yeah.
Yeah, the pulled ran tacos. The chicken stock. Yeah.
Use the ladle.
मुझे सोच रहा मारने वाला था.
नहीं यार.
Okay, now
Stir it with this, yeah. Arey, I'm serious. How do you... Guys, you might not need to know how to cook, but you really need to know how to read. This guy's also failing at that.
So 7 to 8 minutes, huh?
Yeah, 7 to 8 minutes.
Just till the liquid is all
Basically, it needs
Soak
to be
up.
dry consistency. Having said that, I think the packaging is fabulous. I mean, it's neat as it can get. The instructions are, I think, super fabulously simple. And yeah, I mean, if this guy can do it for us today, I'm sure anybody can do it at home. Captain Clutch of the kitchen. Thank you, Knock Knock, for making our dream come true. This is not going to happen anytime soon again. So yeah, this is a bit of a coup that we managed.
Arjun, look. What are you making me go through? All we have to do is just put it in the...
Just put it in the bowl
Bowl?
and then we cover it with the foil. Guys, they've also given us the silver foil. So making sure that none of the steps are missed out just because of lack of anything. I think all you definitely need is a stove, a cooktop and a pan. That's about, I think that pretty much does it, yeah. Which is fantastic. Well done Jazeer. कमाल का आपने बनाया है आज pulled ranch taco. ऐसा खाना आप हमेशा बना सकते हैं, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि आपकी बच्ची है कि आप हमेशा बनाएंगे. पता होना चाहिए ना आदमी को. I think we're good. Are we good?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
that's good. You take it out. Thank you, Baji.
Jasjeet, what is next?
So, next is the taco. Make it on the non-stick pan.
Lightly heat them up, that's it, pretty much. Light apparatus.
Thank you, Team Tenali. Thank you guys.
For supplying us with the right kind of equipment, because this guy don't know what to use. So, from whatever little history I have with rotis, one thing that I've come to learn is that they don't bite you. Flip them aram se, it's okay. I don't need to be scared of them.
Flip them.
हाँ, flip them. वरना रोटी से भी डर. कृपया अपनी बोटी से डरें, रोटी से ना डरें.
So, इसमें कोई oil डालने का
Nothing. Enough sort of moisture in the meat to take with it, and
Just-
there's also a lot of sauces.
When it starts to slightly
Brown
get
up.
red, then it is done at that side.
Chef, what's next?
Okay, now so I'm going to make Singapore chili prawn with steamed pao.
Wow.
So we have all the ingredients lined up. There's the prawns. So step 1, heat oil in a water.
There you go. The actual guy who knows what to do.
Okay, it's good. Can you smell?
Looks good, yes.
Can you smell? Okay, so it's not smelling raw anymore. Proceed.
So step 2,
Put the chili sauce.
chili sauce. पहले ही पता है तुम्हें?
हमें क्वेश्चन पेपर पहले मिल गया.
Lead to our. My God, the way he pours the sauce is as if he does this every day.
The pro.
Yeah, he's a pro at eating for show, not at eating.
That's good, yeah.
These guys have really detailed the recipe step by step. The ingredients are planned down to the T. It's amazing. Yeah, trying really hard.
वॉक को भी टॉस कर पड़ा.
Yeah. Thankfully the delivery is called knock knock and not shake shake. That would have been a real bad one. Yeah.
हमारा नहीं बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
Acha?
Nice to shake it.
Malan to just shake it and move at the same time.
हो गया.
You know, this is the first jam session that DP is actually doing some work.
I swear यार. बंदा मेरी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा था आज 5:30 हो गए. Thank you डॉक्टर. आपको नहीं पता हम आपकी कितने आभारी हैं. This
So-
is the greatest leveler. Okay, now we can transfer it to a plate.
Egg white.
You want to do it?
Here?
Yeah. Just put the flame down low. Toss in the egg white and stir it.
Okay, just give it a stir.
Okay, so Jasjeet has done the hard work, and now we shall.
Now we can do the easy stuff.
Yeah.
Do the easy stuff now.
Let us start with the lettuce.
Yeah, always. Let us begin.
Let us begin.
Meat.
Okay.
Let us not talk anymore.
Meat. Ruk jana, meat.
Meat सबसे पहले.
So I do it a little different. I take the.
Yeah, at the layering at the. देखा
Chutney
हमें
first.
धोखा दे दिया इसने कह रहा है पहले लेटस ले लो खुद अपनी सॉस लगा रहा है पहले चीटर
Chutney low,
हाँ
the garlic chutney. Take some greens, which I'm surprised Jasjeet took
हाँ
piece of
super.
lettuce.
Just because it says in the DIY
So
kit
then-
add lettuce.
Take some of this.
This garlic dip.
Very nice.
Oh, very nice. Yeah. Oh, super spicy, very pungent, very nice.
So take some of this. Then let's get another spoon.
ये जो लोग देख रहे हैं इनके लिए छोड़ना है
देखते हैं बचेगा Take a dash of lime.
अच्छा सारी चीज़ें हैं
Yes.
सब करूँगा
Put some of क्या? And you know the proper way to eat a taco?
या
You eat it sideways.
या
The taco stays सीधा.
But
got a
you
bite.
tilt your head.
Yeah.
You also learned this at other places, but that's how you eat a taco.
Fantastic.
Jasjeet,
Okay.
you have made us all proud today.
You're
Sorry.
behind?
Sorry, yaar. I was looking at you guys tilt your heads. Oh wow. Wow.
So this is the kind of food even you can cook.
All thanks to me.
Yeah, now we have it on camera. You can't even deny it. Oh,
It
very
gives
nice.
you confidence, right?
Yeah.
You can build
It was simple. It was easy. And a lot of fun.
a lot of fun, and
Fun.
your bottom line is it's good. So this is $400.
This one is
400 or 450.
that's bloody brilliant. Yeah,
Not bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
that's bloody brilliant. The price
Like-
point is next level. Let's go for the.
Like it's easy for 2 people.
All of these are designed for two.
Like a dinner for two.
Okay.
Very nice, yeah.
So
Okay,
this
guys.
is the Singapore chili prawn in a bowl. Manav, go ahead.
Acha, so am I supposed to sort of
Yes, just
sandwich
fill
it up or
Yeah,
just?
sandwich it up.
Okay, nice.
It's nicely. There's a tail there, just in case you want to move that.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add some more.
Yeah, that's why extra is good.
Yeah. And also a little
I
bit of
shall remove the tail. Oh, this one doesn't have a tail.
the- It doesn't have a tail. Man, right. A little bit of the salt and pepper sprinkle. And let's go for it.
Chunk of chili.
Oh wow.
And the sauce is so spot on.
Oh wow.
I was just imagining how crab will be with this.
No, but to be honest with you, I was a little wary of the sauce in terms of how well it would sort of be
Yeah.
rounded up. It's
Jasjeet,
amazing.
Well done.
Thank you. So
Yeah, open it. Fill it. Take a big one. You want red chili?
no.
This is fabulous, yeah. Sharmisha, you got to try this also. It's so on point. It's not even a joke.
Thank you.
Region
Continent, different region, different flavor profile.
Yeah.
And each one.
has its own distinct
Perfect.
value. I mean, I can't say that it's from the same kitchen. Very nice.
All cooked by the same chef.
Yes.